Imagine I want to make the vector that looks like 6, 7, 8, going on for a while, then 19, 20, 22. So it's 6, 7, 8 going up by 1 all the way up to 20, then it skips 21 and goes to 22. How could I make that vector? Well, let's first make a simpler vector. Let's make v equals 6 to 22. Okay, that's the exact same as saying v equals start at 6, go up by 1, stop at 22. If I don't specify the middle number, like here I only specified 2, not 3 numbers, then the increment, the step size, that gets treated as 1. So 6 colon 22, same thing as saying 6 colon 1 colon 22. And so now I can see that the 16th entry in this vector is 21, and so that's what I want to delete. And I can delete an entry by doing v of 16 equals, and then I do the vector brackets, these square brackets with nothing inside of it. Okay, so what did that do? That deleted the 16th entry. So I went 19, 20, then 22. So that worked, but it didn't really work until I saw MATLAB tell me how long the vector was. So how could I have done it a little easier? Let's go back and try it a different way. Let's say w equals 6 to 22. And then there's this nice command inside of MATLAB called end. Let me show you what it is. So if I type end, E-N-D, after w, what that gives me is the last entry. And I don't really care about the last entry. What I care about is the second to last entry, this 21. How can I get that? I can do w of end minus 1. Okay, and that gives me this 21. So w, it's not what I want, but if I do w of end minus 1 equals this empty vector, okay, then that's another way that I could get what I want. And the nice thing about this is when I wrote it this way, I didn't have to know how long w was. All I had to know was that I wanted to delete the second to last entry. Let me show you another way we could have done it. Let me say z equals 6 to 20. Okay, then I could do z equals a vector that starts with z and then has 22 after it. Okay, so this way of making it, I never had 21 show up. I made 6 to 20, and then I put 22 at the end of it. So if I wanted to do something like 1 to 100 without 50, how could I do that? I could do 1 to 49, comma, 51 to 100. Okay, and let's just scroll up. Here you can see that it skipped 50.